Hi everyone! Hana here. I hope you liked my previous video. I'm at home right now. I just had dinner and I'm drinking champagne again. It's the $20 champagne that I talked about. So if you happen to be having dinner or having a drink, toast with me. Cheers! Honestly, this $20 champagne is good quality. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I cut my hair today. I changed my hair color, a little bit fallsy, autumn-ish, darker color. And by the way, I really want to make some videos on visiting farmers markets in Tokyo because that's something I really like to do. So today I want to talk about how I'm going to create these English videos. First of all, I'm going to film my usual videos of hiking in the mountains, going to the onsen, visiting beaches, etc. in Japanese. And then I would like to show those videos and explain what I'm talking about and what I'm trying to convey in English. The reason I'm doing that is because the auto translation from Japanese to other languages on YouTube are not very good quality at the moment. It's 2021 and hopefully it will improve so that I can just automatically make a video in Japanese and you can all see those videos with perfect translation. But at the moment it's not really possible because the auto translations are honestly not really good. So I need to stop my Japanese videos from time to time and to insert my English translations, and it may be a little tedious for you to watch, but please bear with me. I'm gonna do my best for the atmosphere to really transfer into my English videos as well. So please turn on the captions and the auto translations for you to be able to understand what I'm trying to say. And I have like a 3-minute sample that you can see, that you can watch to feel the atmosphere of the videos that I'm gonna make. So in this video I'm in Atami, which is a very famous onsen town, and although it's a very touristy area, the hotel that I stayed in, the ryokan, the traditional Japanese hotel, is up in the hills of Atami, and it's not as crowded as the main parts of Atami. And the best thing is that there is it's a private onsen, meaning that there are onsen baths in each room, which is what I really like about it. And I purchased some local craft beer, and here I am tasting each flavor. They're all very good, and unfortunately I can't explain in detail about each flavor, but if you have a chance to come to Japan, there are quite a few craft beer locally made, so I would love for you to try some. For the full video, I strongly recommend you watch my Japanese channel, and I would be so happy if you can subscribe to both of my channels, because that would really help me in taking various trips in Japan to show you the beauty of this country. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in my next journey. Bye bye!